What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be ceramic coating my truck. Got to start the process by washing the truck. It's pretty dirty. I'm assuming if you're here to learn how to ceramic coat, you probably already know how to wash a vehicle, so I'm not going to show that. I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll pick the camera back up. And I somehow picked the worst day to do this. It is super overcast out. There is no sunlight and my garage is not well lit whatsoever. You want to do this inside. So I have this light over my toolbox. I'm going to be using that. It's pretty bright, so I'll walk around the truck with that. But it's also somehow in Florida, it's pretty cold out. It's 54, which I know is not that cold for other places, other states, but that's pretty cold for Florida. And ceramic coating dries better in the heat. So we'll see how it goes. So also I forgot to mention, this is the compound I'm using with the buffer. And after that, I will be using this polish. And another thing I forgot to mention, any plastic you have, you want to tape that off. The compound will stain it white. So anything that is black plastic, go ahead and tape it off. So I did the bed, I did the mirrors, but anything plastic, like this hard plastic, tape it off. Alright guys, so I got this half of the truck done, and let me just show you what you're looking for when you're doing this. You can hear, you can't hear anything. That's on a door that I've already done. Well, I haven't done the hood yet. You hear that? That's what you're trying to get rid of, that roughness in the paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the truck and then go around and do the polish. Well, she is all buffed and polished, and now it is almost completely dark outside. That took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, but no big deal. She's all good. She's all shiny and clean. Paint looks great. Feels great. Feels soft and smooth. So now I'm going to walk around with my flashlight since it's dark, and I'm gonna clean off any dust and any polish that I missed. But there's all this dust on the windows and stuff now from the compound. So I'm gonna get all that off, make sure I didn't miss any polish, and then it's time to do the ceramic coating. Alright, so now that I've verified the truck is completely clean and all the polish is removed, now we are going to take a look at the Avalon King ceramic coating kit. So this is everything that comes in it. A super soft microfiber towel, a pair of gloves. I recommend you wear gloves so you don't get any fingerprints into the ceramic coating. These are the applicator pads. There's the applicator itself. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a soft side here, and then this is the side you hold. And then here is the coating itself in this little container. This is how it comes. It comes in this box right here. It slides out. And it comes pretty fancy in this packaging. So I'm gonna get everything out, get it all set up, and get going. All right, so this is what they tell you to do. Get your foam applicator block and then one of the pads on top of it, and then just put a bunch of dots on here. Soak it up kind of decent, not too much. And then we're just gonna start going up and down in vertical motions with it. They say do crosshatch too, side to side. So we'll try a little bit of everything. So it says to let it sit for 4 or 5 minutes. I don't know how to tell exactly when it's done. So hopefully I did it right. Hopefully it turns out good, and we'll keep going on with the rest of the truck. So it's been 2 days since I've done the ceramic coating. I wanted to give it plenty of time to cure before I come out here and test it. So I'm gonna get some water and I'm gonna test. I don't want to soak it, so I'm not gonna do like a full wash or anything, but I'm gonna test a few different areas. So I ceramic coated everything. So I'm gonna test out how the ceramic coat did on certain parts of the car. Obviously, I'll test out the paint. I'm gonna do the back window so that way it just runs down here and doesn't get anything else wet. And then I also ceramic coated the plastic, so I'm gonna test that out on the mirror here so that way all the water just runs down and hits the ground so I don't get the rest of my truck wet. It's been, I don't know, a little over, it hasn't been a full 48 hours yet, probably about, I don't know, 40 hours. So I don't want to soak it like I said, so I will do some small areas and I'll show you guys how it works. So I got some water here. I just filled up an empty bottle with some tap water. I'll try it on the mirror first, see how that does. Oh yeah, that's perfect. It just beads right up and falls right off. Well, that did not go as planned. Got the whole truck wet. Let me try the glass, see how the glass did. Yeah, that's perfect. It just falls right off. You can't even see it. That is super cool. I did the wheels too. I forgot about that. So we'll try out one of the wheels. Same thing. It just beads up and falls right off. That is super cool. It was pretty scary at first. You know, this would be my first one. Not really knowing what I'm doing, but you know, after you got the process going, it's actually really simple. The hardest part is the prep. You want to prep as well as you can. You want to make sure there's no imperfections left on your paint, because whatever is left on your paint, the ceramic coating will seal it in, so you will see it and it'll be underneath that coating. So overall, it definitely meets my expectations, and I highly recommend it. If you got a new vehicle especially, don't drive it until you get it ceramic coated. It is definitely worth it. It'll protect your paint for at least a few years, and then you can get it done again, and it looks amazing. My truck has never shined so much. I look forward to more detailing videos in the future. I am now doing this full time. If you watched my previous video, I explained how I quit my job at 24 years old, and now I'm running a full-time detailing business. So look for more detailing videos in the future. And yeah, thanks again for watching. So real quick before I end the video, I just want to show you guys this. This is a perfect example of a ceramic coating and how well it works. This is my wife's car. It is not ceramic coated. See, the water just groups up and it just sticks there, it doesn't come off. Here's my truck. I already did this once, so it's kind of wet, but look at that. The water just falls right off.